Hello friends, this is NB from Technology Made Simple TMS, and today I'm going to unbox a wireless headphone which is from Stuffcool, and the name is Stuffcool Loius Bluetooth Stereo Headphones. It's a wireless sports stereo headphones with a built-in microphone. Before I share the details, let me share the price. The actual price of this item is around 2,999. Yeah, it's not 3,000 just like the Bata rate. It is 2,999. Well, jokes apart, how much did I buy for? Well, I purchased it from Amazon. The price was 2,050. Yeah, 2050 rupees, whereas the same product is available on the Stuffcool website and the price there is 2699, that is 2699. Now let's talk about the details of this headset. This headset has a high quality sound which has a CSR chipset, and the headphones provide high quality music streaming. If you see here, it is a Bluetooth version V4.1 Super Stereo headphone. It has a Class 2 Super Stereo headphone. It has a standard micro USB charging connector, and it has a 100 mAh rechargeable battery. Yes, you can recharge these headphones before using them, and the charge time is around 2 hours. The play time, if you're continuously playing, then it will play for 7 hours, and the talk time, if you're talking over the phone, then it's 7 hours, and the standby time is about 220 hours. Yeah, that's good. And also the Bluetooth connector range is up to 10 meters. Yeah, and it's great for sports. It has a flexible ear hooks. It also track changes. It has volume control, and above all, the best thing is it has just one button which is called as multi-function button. We call it as MFB. This also connects with a smart TV, also allows two Bluetooth smartphones to connect simultaneously. And the earbuds, they are designed to reduce the background noise. Talk time, as we know and play, is around 7 hours, and it has a micro USB charging cable included. The colors available in this are black, gray, and red black. So let me not waste the time anymore. Let me unbox this. Okay, so this is my new Stuffcool Loius Bluetooth headphones. Okay, how do I open it? Okay, from here. Okay, I just flip this, open it. Oh yeah, so these are my new wireless headphones. If I just remove this, what do I have? Okay, I have a headphones with the wire, and I get a user manual. It's good. I have a USB charging cable, and I have earbuds. So how many? 1, 2, I think 3 sets of earbuds is what I have. And the headset also comes with a set of earbuds. I think there are around 3 to 4 earbuds. Yeah, to be exactly 4 earbuds, including with the headset. These are of various sizes depending on the ear hole. Okay, so that's it. That is what I have, and this has the user manual which gives you the cautions about the product description, about the various functions that it can do, which I'm going to talk in my next video. So how to connect your headphone, and yeah, various things, the buttons, the name of the buttons, what it has. So for now, this is my goodbye. I'll come back with more videos on the device. on my review of how the headphones are and how to use it. Thank you. Once again, this is NB from Technology Made Simple, TMS. Thank you for watching.